Hey, crazy.
I'm wet. Aye.
Okay, let's get your shirt off.
Ooh. Oh.
Go ahead, take it off.
So I need to turn the bath water off.
Oh, yeah. Turn it in. Can you turn it off? Or take it off? Wait. Oh, he's squeezing you. Oh. No, don't roll down the stairs.
Hey, Brett. Brett.
Brett, where's Daddy?
Hey.
Say hi, Dada.
Can you wave to me?
Wave to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Can you say hi? Say hi, Daddy. Go get him. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Hi.
Hey, Bryce. Oh, you're getting your toys out?
Yep.
Okay.
Put the cup out. Where's the bowl? Wait back in there. Is this guy wet? Why is this guy wet?
Probably because it was in the tub.
And why do we take it off?
Alright, bath time. Bath time, bath time, lovely bath time.